Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is another summer vibes video. I put this look together for you guys for some summer inspiration. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications in the future. I put a poll up on Instagram and I was asking you guys if you think I should upload every Tuesday, Thursday, or every Friday. So my results be basically every Tuesday and Thursday. So that is the winner for the Instagram poll. So every Tuesday, Thursday at 1 p.m. it will automatically be uploaded and ready to go for you guys. So thank you so much for subbing and liking and sharing, you guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming by my channel and watching my videos. So yeah, alright, here we go. Alright you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the shade Clementine in the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette, and I'm going to use a Anastasia brush that comes with their palettes, and I'm going to use that to blend out as my transition color. Brush, I'm going to go into the Prism palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to use the shade called Eden. Next I'm going to use the shade called Saturn, also in the same Prism palette. And I'm going to use a Morphe M506 brush for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and take that on the outer corner and blending that into that crease color. Alright you guys, moving on to the next step, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and Tarte Flat Brush, and I am going to cut my crease again. So I'm going to start out on the inner corner, and I'm going to work my way up to about there, and I'm gonna stop right about here, and then I'm gonna kind of fill in my lid up until about the middle. And what I like to do, if there's a lot of concealer. I like to just kind of dab it and wipe that onto some tissue. That way it doesn't clump up too much eyeshadow. So I'm going to use that same brush. I'm just going to wipe off the concealer, and it's so kind of like a moisture to it. So I'm going to use that to pick up the shade called Candid, and I'm going to apply that to the middle of my lid. Alright, from the same palette, I'm going to use the shade called Upfront. I'm going to apply that to the inner corner and blend that in to the center. Alrighty, so the next thing I'm going to do is apply mascara, and this one is the Voluminous Butterfly by L'Oreal. Applying mascara, I'm going to apply false lashes. These are from Allure, I believe that's how you pronounce the name. And these are the Glamour Vegas Nay lashes. They look like this. I have not tried these yet, so this will be my first time trying these lashes. And I'm going to actually apply these off camera because I have to cut them to size, and I always have a hard time applying lashes on camera, so I will be right back with these lashes. Alright, so this is what they look like on. I cut the ends off on the inner corner, just a ever so slight bit right there. And then I let the glue dry and I applied them, and as soon as they were like almost completely dry, I kind of smushed them with my finger against my lash line, so then it kind of creates a seamless, like natural full lash look. So anyways, next I'm going to apply my Too Faced setting spray. And I'm going to set my face, and I like to do this before I do my highlighter just because I feel like it holds the highlighter a lot longer, and having kind of a tacky surface, it holds a lot better than just putting it right on top of setting powder. So I find that is just a tip from me. Alright, so I'm going to apply my spray. And then I like to use like a piece of cardboard or something to just kind of fan it out. And I'm going to apply the same highlighter that I always apply because I think that this is like one of the greatest inexpensive highlighters that pretty much anyone can get at the store. I do have a lot of other highlighters. I do use all of my highlighters. I just prefer to use this one just because it's really pretty and inexpensive. So I'm going to apply my highlighter with the Morphe M501 brush and a Morphe E36 brush. So these two brushes here, I like to apply this on my cheek and above my brow, and then this one just to get in the inner corner, nose, Cupid's bow, and brow highlight. So the highlighter I'm going to use is called Blossom Glow, and it's by Wet n Wild. So this is what it looks like. I really come to like this highlighter a lot, and it was super inexpensive. Alright, for lips, I'm going to apply Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in the shade Candy Ass. And I'm so glad, because this came out last summer for the Chrome collection, and I was like, I really wanted to get more, and then it was sold out, and just recently was restocked, and I'm pretty sure it's on the permanent list. I'm not sure. I hope it is, because it is a beautiful color. So I'm gonna use this shade for this look.